some more. Students horrified when error message appears on vending machine, revealing something dark. Students at the University of Waterloo in Canada allegedly were disturbed when they accidentally discovered that the vending machines on campus had a hidden feature that they felt invaded their privacy. Reports CTV News. An eerie tale on how surveillance tech has crept its way into all kinds of smart appliances. On its surface, the M&M branded machine seemed as innocuous.
Innocuous.
Innocuous as any other snack dispenser. An error window appeared on their screens referring to a facial recognition application that the students had no idea about. We wouldn't have known if it weren't for the application error. There's no warning here. River Stanley, a senior Waterloo student who investigated the vending machine for the campus newspaper, told CTV News. Isn't that a creepy feeling, having a camera in a smart snack machine, a vending machine, in a university, a school, having cameras that spied on them, that took facial recognition of them? That's creepy as fuck. Unsettled by the idea of potentially being spied on, Stanley added that many students began to cover the tiny camera of the vending machines with chewing gum and sticky notes. Low profile, the vending machines are manufactured by a company called Invenda, which markets them as intelligent vending machines and are owned by the maker of M&Ms and Mars. Alarmed by the glitch, a glitch. That's what they always say, a glitch. The students did some digging on the manufacturer. On its website, they found a brochure for the vending machines, which revealed that they are installed with a demographic sensor. Not only can the sensor perform a people count, according to the brochure, it can also do demographic profiling, which allows the machines to calculate the age and gender of anyone that approaches by using the cameras. Now, I get it that people vandalize vending machines. I get it. We've all seen vending machines being, broken up, being mishandled. We get it. But to go that far and put a camera on it so it can count the number of people and demographic profiling, which allows the machine to calculate the age and gender of anyone that approaches by using the camera. Like, what happened to privacy? What happened to being able to move freely without cameras spying on us everywhere? I'm kind of shocked just because it's a vending machine, and I don't really think they need to be taking facial recognition, another student told CTV News. Invenda has defended itself by claiming these features are conducted in a compliance with data and privacy laws. The demographic detection software integrated into the smart vending machines operates entirely locally. Invenda told Stanley in an email it does not engage in storage, communication, or transmission of any imagery or personally identifiable information. But isn't that what they all say? Whatever legal technicalities, this is the kind of peek over engineering that leaves people uneasy. Exactly. A simple window showing you the snacks inside apparently is just too low tech. Instead, Invenda, new era of vending machines, use giant touchscreens to inundate you with combo deals, promotions, and AI-powered production recommendations in order to boost sales by up to 60%, the manufacturer claims. Understandably, the students weren't having it. Backlash ensued once word got out, and the university was forced to talk action. The university has asked that these machines be removed from campus as soon as possible. A U Waterloo spokesperson told CTV News, in the meantime, we've asked that the software be disabled. Way to go and way to speak out. Take action. Please, guys, hit the thumbs up and share my videos out, please. Thank you, and God bless.